In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on the Columbia Sportswear website. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new jacket or some outdoor gear, knowing how to track your order status online is a useful skill. So let's walk through the process to ensure you're fully equipped to manage your purchases effortlessly. First things first, you need to navigate to the Columbia Sportswear website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the website address, making sure you're on the official page. Once there, your next step is to locate the order status page. This is typically found within the customer service or help section of the website. If you're having trouble finding it, look for a support link or search function, usually located at the top or bottom of the home page. These areas often provide quick navigation to where you want to go. Once you've arrived at the order status page, you'll need some information on hand to proceed. You'll be required to enter your order number, so it's helpful to have this information readily available. This number is typically sent to you in a confirmation email received after you place the order. In addition to the order number, you will also need to input your billing zip code and the email address you used when making the purchase. By entering these details accurately, you've essentially unlocked your personal order status portal. The system will retrieve the status of your order, providing you with up-to-date information on its progress toward delivery. This feature is especially useful because it gives you direct insight into where your order is and its expected arrival date, so you won't be left in the dark about your purchase. Checking your order status online can give you peace of mind. Keep in mind that sometimes you might encounter a delay in updates, especially if the order was placed very recently. In that case, patience is key. Wait a bit and try checking again later. So taking these steps ensures you're always informed about your purchase and its journey to you. With just a few clicks and some key details, you'll have the transparency you need over your orders. Knowing how to effectively use these resources empowers you to take control, so you can focus more on planning your next adventure and less on wondering about your package's whereabouts. I hope this guidance makes your shopping experience smoother. Don't hesitate to reach out to Columbia's customer support if you face any issues. They're there to help. Thank you for joining me today, and may your new gear fulfill all your outdoor needs. Until next time, happy shopping.